So I just want to show you the location of the thermostat. I've had a pipe go. Thermostat in the Passat Tdi 2 litre engine. This is a B7 model. Just to show you where it is and how awkward it is. That's the pipe that's split. And the thermostat is, if you follow the dipstick container, it's all the way down there. Can you see it? Yes. So to get to it, you have to move quite a lot of pipes, the throttle body, pipes around here, the air box pipes, bits and bobs, just so you can get to it. But it's an awkward place. So I've put the new hose on, but I just thought to show you where the location of the thermostat is. Thanks for watching. Catch you all again later.